My name is Preetham.
My name is Rishi.
And we are from grade 9, Excel Public School, Mysore.
Our theme is energy and transportation and problem statement. Innovate a system that could improve rider, driver, citizens' safety and prevent road accidents.
Indian Railway says over 35,000 animals were killed in train accidents between 2015 to 2019. The number has been continuously increasing every year.
In 2018, the number of animals dead due to train accidents stood at 12,625. A total of 186 elephants were killed in train collision in the last 10 years.
Elephants play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance by limiting the growth of vegetation and spreading the seeds of plant it feeds on. Elephants have a positive influence on growth of numerous plant and animal species that share its habitat. Our research proved that elephants' deaths are more common on railway tracks than on roads. This gave us an idea. We had thought that it would be as simple as building a flyover for elephants near elephant crossing zone over the railway track, but the construction of flyover inside the forest ruled that out. So the next thought was to somehow detect whether there is an elephant on the crossing zones and accordingly trigger loud buzz of honeybee near elephant crossing zones. A team of scientists from Oxford University, Save the Elephants and Disney's Animal Kingdom studied elephant families. They discovered that elephants flee from the buzzing sound and make a unique rumbling sign by shaking their heads. This research gave an idea to use the buzz of honeybees to distract the elephants and make them move away from the railway track. Using our system, we can save manpower and save lives of elephants. So this idea was the one we went with. We use a camera to send a live video feed to Raspberry Pi. A Raspberry Pi was trained to differentiate elephants from the rest of the background. When our machine learning model recognized an elephant, the following steps were executed. A speaker was placed near elephant crossing zone and plays a loud buzz of honeybees. Some LEDs placed alongside the railway track to indicate the train pilots to reduce their speed. Then, when the elephants move away from the track, the speakers would automatically turn off, then the LED stops blinking.
The machine learning model and coded the application.
I did most of the research and helped in model making. Thank you.